Hey, Jack. Jack. You want something to eat? Yeah. Yeah. Say, hello! Hello! Say hello! Hello! Say hello! Say it again. Say it again. Say hello. That's my little Jack. He's so adorable. He's gonna be, he's getting old on me. April 15th, he's gonna be 13 years old. Lay down, sweetie. Lay down. Yeah. He wants to eat now. Jack wants to eat. I'm gonna give him his little meal now. We love you, Jack. Everybody loves you, Jack. We love you, Jack, so much. Yes.